Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. So yeah, this is the mobile that we are waiting to see from a long time. By the way, I also made a video on iQOO 7. If you don't ever watch that video, then go to this iCard and watch it. By the way, this M42 5G mobile comes with a 6.6 inches of decent amount of display, and it is a Full HD plus resolution, 60Hz refresh rate, Super AMOLED display. And this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, which is a 5G octa-core processor clocked at 2.7 GHz, I think. And for the variants, this is the most important section we have to take a look. This mobile comes with three variants mostly, I think. This mobile comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and 8GB RAM 128, and also 8GB RAM 256. We can also get a hybrid SIM slot with this mobile, and we can expand memory up to 1TB. Yeah, this is the biggest thing. And for the cameras, yeah, this mobile comes with a decent amount of cameras, where we can find 64 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and 2 depth and 2 macro cameras. And we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with this mobile's back camera. And this mobile also comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and it's a 1080p 30 FPS shooter camera. And for the battery, yeah, this mobile comes with a best amount of battery, that is a 5000 milliamperes of battery, and it supports 15 watts of normal charge, I would say. If you can get a fast charger for this amount of battery, then that would be great. And by the way, this mobile also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also comes with a stereo speakers, and it also comes with a 3.5mm jack also, yes. And this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6E dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 features for better connectivity and purposes like that. And this mobile comes with a One UI 3.1 and Android version 11 out of the box. And you can also get a cable adapter, charger, and also earphones included in the box of this mobile. So that is the biggest thing. And when we talk about the pricing, this is the major important section we want. This mobile price will start from 22,500 rupees, friends. So yeah, in terms of pricing, yeah, this seems to be a better mobile at that price range. So yeah, this mobile will be also available in 4 to 5 colors. I will list those colors in the description box down below when I can know them. So that's it for the video, and hit that subscribe button.